Hi, so today in this video, I'm going to talk about the symptoms and the natural remedies, the treatments of COPD. As in my earlier video, I did talk about what is actually a COPD and what are the causes of it. Today, I will provide you with the symptoms and the remedies. The first symptom and the primary symptoms include the chronic cough, lasts for weeks to months. Yes, so it is often called as smoker's cough, excess mucus or greenish mucus, especially in the morning time. That is basically known as sputum. Now, shortness of breath, that is dyspnea. Now, initially during physical activity, progresses to breathlessness even at rest. Other include the wheezing, the whistling sound while you are breathing. Some other factors which are there include the chest tightness, feeling of heaviness or pressure in the chest, fatigue and weakness. Now, due to reduced oxygen levels, these are the symptoms which could be created. Frequent respiratory infections like cold, flus, or pneumonia. Unintentional weight loss in severe COPD due to increased work of breathing. Weight loss can also be caused in the people. Blueness of lips or fingernail beds, which is known as cyanosis. Now, sign of low oxygen level is indicated through this. Swelling in the ankles and feet or legs. Now, that may indicate heart strain due to advanced COPD. Let us now talk about what are actually the treatment behind COPD. Is there any treatment? Yes. While COPD is not curable, now that its progression can be slowed and symptoms can be managed effectively. Now, the treatment is multidimensional, involving lifestyle changes, medication therapies, and sometimes some surgery could also be taken. But let us talk about some of them. The first one is lifestyle modifications, foundation of treatment. That is very important. You have to quit smoking immediately. That is the most crucial step in order to prevent further lung damage to your body. Avoid air pollutants and dust. Wear a mask in polluted areas or workspaces. Maintain a good nutrition balanced diet to support lung and immune function. Lifestyle modifications, foundation of treatment, which is important to stay physically active. Light exercises improve your stamina and lung capacity. So hydration is also important. Keep mucus thinner and easier to clear it down. Number 2 is the medication that you need to take. That is bronchodilators, which is inhalers. You can take it and also consult your doctor. Short acting for quick relief. Salbutamol, epinephrine using during the breathlessness. But you can always consult a healthcare provider before taking all of these. Let us talk about long-acting maintenance, which is basically some of the mentioned here. Now, we have to use it daily to keep airways open. Inhale corticosteroids, combination inhalers are something which would also be used for you to avoid the conditions of COPD in the long run. Number 3 is the pulmonary rehabilitation. For that, a specialized program that include breathing exercise should be taken. Physical training, nutritional counseling, emotional support help reduce the breathlessness, increase energy, and also the quality of your life. For that, you can also go with some oxygen therapy. So, for the patient with very low blood oxygen level, which is known as hypoxemia. Now, severe disease can be continuous or intermittent, especially example during the time of sleep or during the time of exertion. There are lastly some surgical operations or options for advanced cases. For example, lung volume reduction surgery, which is also known as LVRS, remove the damaged portions of the lung. Another one is the belectomy, remove large air spaces, which will lack that interfere with the breathing of the people, and lung transplant, which is very rare, only for very, very selected patients. So in this video, you get to know about what are the symptoms and the treatments behind it. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching the video. For more upcoming health related content, do subscribe to my channel and do like to this video. Thanks for watching.